What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's your girl Chris. Welcome back to Chris and Chicks TV. And today I am back with another DIY video, and I'm super excited about this one. Okay, so I went thrifting the other day, and I found this skirt that was slightly too big and way too long, but the pattern was super cute, so I turned it into like a two-piece outfit. Anyway, if you want to see how I did this, then you definitely want to keep watching.
You would need safety pins, seam ripper, scissors, measuring tape, and your desired skirt, and of course your sewing machine. Okay, so as you can see, the skirt is way too big and way too long, so it's time to fix it up. Okay, so I'm taking my old skirt and I'm laying it over the top, and I'm just going to cut it to the length, leaving like an inch or two for seam allowance. Okay, now I tried it on, it's way too big, so I decided to just pin one side down and sew it. And the only reason I'm pinning one side and sewing it is because the other side has a zipper and I wanted to keep the zipper. Okay, now you just want to cut off the extra fabric once you get done sewing it. Okay, it fits perfectly, and all I have to do is hem it up now. And I'm just cutting off the extra fabric that's hanging off. Roll it and then pin it, and then I'm going to use my sewing machine to sew it. And that is how it looks. Onto the top. So I'm taking my measuring tape and just wrapping it around my chest area just to get the measurement. Then I'm going to take that number and line it up with my fabric and just cut off, the extra fabric that's left. Now I'm taking my bralette, whatever that is, and then I'm laying it in between the fabric, and I'm going to fold it over like I'm doing and pin it down. Now I'm going to use my sewing machine to sew it down. Now I'm just cutting off the extra fabric. Okay, I tried my top on. It was a little tight, but it was perfect. So now I am just going to pin it down and sew the ends together. Okay, my top was slightly too long, so I just decided to repeat the process that I did before. Just fold it over, pinned it, and use my sewing machine to sew it down just to make it shorter. So that's what I did. That is how it looked. I added a belt to complete the look, and I think it looks fabulous.
Okay, so one thing I did really like about this top was I could wear it like this, or I could pull this part down. This is a piece that I didn't cut when I actually had to make it shorter. But yeah, so, or you can wear it like this. Either way, of course I like the other one better, but yeah. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, the next time you go to the thrift store, check out things that are 10 times your size, because you can also take them home and recreate them to something that you like and something that fits. Okay, that is all. Don't forget to be centric, live centric, stay centric, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.